Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into managing your editorial workflows and content calendars using CLICKUP. First, let's set up your CLICKUP workspace. Go to CLICKUP, click on Create Workspace, and name it. This is where you'll manage your entire editorial process. It's crucial to have a dedicated workspace to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Now that we've done that, let's create a project. Go to the sidebar, select Plus Add, choose Project, and name it Editorial Calendar. This project will be your hub for all content planning. Why do we do this? Having a specific project for your editorial calendar allows for easy tracking and management of content. Next up, let's create tasks. Click on Plus Add Task, name it after the content piece, and set the due date. Assign it to the team member responsible. This is where the magic happens. In CLICKUP, tasks are your individual content pieces. They help you keep track of what content is being worked on, by whom, and when it's due. The reason we do this is to ensure accountability and efficiency in your content creation process. By assigning tasks, you know exactly who's working on what, avoiding any confusion or duplication of work. Now let's add dependencies. Click on the task, go to Dependencies, and add tasks that should be completed before this task. This helps us because it ensures a smooth workflow, preventing any task from starting before a prerequisite task is completed. Lastly, make sure to set up notifications. Go to Settings, click on Notifications, and customize your preferences. This ensures you'll always be updated on task progress and deadlines. In just a few steps, we've created an efficient, organized editorial workflow and content calendar in CLICKUP. It's a game changer for content management, saving time, and increasing productivity. That's it for today's guide. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your CLICKUP experience. Until next time.